Hello everyone! Meron ako nakitang apps na too good to go. Yung merong mga bakery or stores na meron silang tinitinda ng yung mga natitira pa na leftover at the end of the day. So, tatry natin tong Buno Coffee. Meron silang mga pastries na ang regular price niya is $18 and I only got it for $5.99. But the thing is, you don't know what's inside. So, it's a surprise! We'll see. Ito siya, oh. Buno Coffee Roaster. It's Ethiopian coffee. Hi there! To pick up my piniprepare. Marami pa rin naman pero they only put one, so they prepare just now. They still open. You wanna try coffee then? Tingnan natin ang worth ng $5.99. Is that 5 pieces? Oh, look at that. Or worth of $18 yan, guys.